Our ingredients, we're gonna need olive oil, ground pepper, garlic, and Himalayan salt. First, we're gonna slice our of garlic. Then put in aluminum foil. Add some salt, ground pepper, and olive oil. Put little bit more olive oil. Cover the garlic and put in a prepared plate. Then bake at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Now it's ready. It's already cooked. It's done. Roasted garlic benefits: reduces cholesterol, protects against dementia, protects against heart disease, lowers blood pressure, may help prevent heavy metals from entering the body, strengthens bones and joints, prevents colds. Roasted garlic has a lot of benefits. It's good for our body. So let's eat always. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button. Thank you. Bye.